Good morning. So today we have a long drive ahead of us. I'm going to pick up two monkeys in Mokopane, which is about 2.5 hours away. So it's a bit of a bit of a round trip today. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we've got these two. They are loving the little bowl of fruit and veg I brought for them. And they seem great. They seem full of life and energy. Nice and healthy. So we start the long trip back, another 2.5 hours. Get them back to the sanctuary.